Hello, my name is Ravi Shankar. I'm the Senior Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer for Denodo. I'm very happy to talk to Jason Medved today from DevFacto. Jason, nice to talk to you.
Hi, same here.
Awesome. Jason, for our audience, could you tell a little bit about what DevFacto is and what they do?
Sure. DeFacto is basically, it's a tech company that's focused on people. If you go to our website, the very first thing you see is transforming ideas into software that humans love. The way we do everything at DeFacto is very informed by that statement. We bake the human element into everything. We have a dedicated user experience practice that works with our customers to get their ideas, to get the blue sky, to get them excited about the possibilities. And we keep that excitement, we keep that innovation and creativity all the way through the solutioning process. We don't solution for our customers, we solution with them. They're our partners every step of the way.
Awesome, that's great to hear. So we have a common customer. Can you just tell a little about how they use the Denodo product with your services?
Sure. So we have been working with a financial institution, and Denodo had some limited understanding. There were enough people who knew enough about the platform to be excited by it. So we were brought in as partners to help them realize it as a capability. We walked them through understanding what the best approach is to get broad engagement with stakeholders, how to approach it technically, how to stand up the initial use cases, how to solution through there, how to set themselves up to continue that process and further build out the capability. So today they're implementing use cases now. There's widespread understanding of the potentials of Denodo, and now they're just working through that pattern of continuing to bring data in and get it provisioned through the platform.
Okay, awesome. That's great to hear. So Jason, first of all, thank you very much for partnering with us for the DataFest. As you can see, the theme for our DataFest this year is this notion of logical data fabric. Could you explain to our audience what is your understanding and articulation of the logical data fabric?
Well, basically, it's an extremely exciting idea. I like this approach of stating it in terms of a concept like the logical data fabric, the idea that if we can start having a conceptual approach by which we don't worry about data movement so much anymore. The data is where it is, and it's in the platform that it's in. We now have a tool that's going to let us abstract that away and bring commonality to all this variety. We can stand up a central place and make the data available through it that abstracts away all the differences and complexities. So the fact that we're talking about it in these conceptual terms, you get excited by the ideas of what this means. And if we can make this more consistent and easier, what other things can we do with the data? It's a very exciting time. And I think this was, I've been doing this a long time. I've been doing this for over 20 years, and it's been a little while since I got excited by an idea, but definitely the data fabric is got me excited. I'm really looking to continuing to get further into this space and continue working with Denodo.
Awesome, that's good to hear. All right, so just one last question. You will be doing a 30-minute presentation. Can you tell our audience what this presentation is about?
Sure. Tomorrow afternoon, I will be doing a presentation on enabling Denodo, similar to what I mentioned about us working with our most recent customer here with on a Denodo project. I'm going to be talking about considerations, approaches you can take, not so much from the technical side, but actually from the people side. How do you get the stakeholder buy-in? How do you set up an approach that people can understand? And how do you get the results in front of people and get them to understand that the Denodo, what the value of Denodo is?
Awesome. I'm looking forward to it. So make sure that you watch the session. All right. Nice talking to you, Jason.
Same here. Take care.